First question.
English.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry.
Well, what did you think of the characters of the many movies you made? The little girl, the young girl, very free, very sexually free.
Yeah, I have my own opinion of things in life. You know, I don't want to have a stamp on what to think. You know, I live the life I choose myself. I'm a strong woman. You know. Then I shot at at the street. And then when I looked, I saw people that were running for their lives, And also with the patch, it was a little bit difficult to act with the patch. So during my free time, I had the patch on all the time, So that was my life during some months then. Yeah. I was recently in Japan. I showed my daughters there.
Thriller, always. This movie, Thriller, in Japan.
They showed Thriller and other movies. I made 2 movies in Japan in the beginning of the 70s also. So they were very proud to show their own movies,
When you did it, when you did Thriller,
yeah.
You thought it would be a success, a cult movie?
No, not at all. No. But I actually met Tarantino.
Yes?
Yeah. And it was nice, You want to sit closer? Or?
It's okay to me.
Oh, okay.
C'est bon, ta caméra tourne, c'est bon? Ça tourne.
So basically we're going to see the same thing. You just repeat the same.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
So
Or if you have other questions.
Yeah, I have other questions. I was joking.
Thank you.
So it's a great pleasure to have you here in France. Well, thank you very much, Christina. It was a pleasure.
Ils ont commandé leur café. Minéral, une de chaque.
Donc je tiens à remercier Backfilm et toute son équipe parce qu'il y a 4 mois, on en a parlé comme ça, c'était une boutade entre nous, on s'est dit tiens, si on faisait venir Christina Lindberg, et puis le fil en aiguille, ça s'est fait, on y est, c'est ce soir. Donc je tiens à inviter et à applaudir comme elle le mérite l'actrice du film de ce soir, thriller, crime à froid, Christina Lindberg. On a du monde, il y a du gratin ce soir, donc l'équipe au grand complet de Backfilm. Il y a l'Amigal qui est une société de prod qui va filmer donc les petits bonus. Il y a une équipe de télé suédoise qui est là, qui suit Christina Lindberg pendant 2 ans, qui fait un documentaire sur elle. Et on a Christian Valor de Psychovision, qui est un site que vous avez peut-être regardé sur le net, qui en dit beaucoup sur le cinéma de genre qu'on affectionne ici. Madame, monsieur, mademoiselle, je vous laisse profiter de l'invité de ce soir, Christina Lindberg. Posez-lui toutes les questions que vous voulez, elle vous appartient.
Déjà, je voulais vous féliciter pour votre prestation donc, dans le film, parce que c'est vrai qu'on s'attendait pas... moi, je ne m'attendais pas personnellement à prendre ça dans la tronche. Donc, bravo à vous.
You know, when I got this part in trailer, you're sure it wasn't for the money, because there were no money at all. You know, it was just a good script and a fantastic character. You know, and you know, I was very happy when I got this part, because you know, taking up the clothes in movie after movie, it's no fun. You know, after a while.
Merci, Katrina. Merci à tous et à toutes.
Great seeing you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.
Thanks for everything.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Is it possible to have
My signature?
Yes.
Absolutely.
running?
Yeah. What time is it? Huh?
I think it's 5:30.
5:30, yeah.
That was perfect.
Thank you. So.
I'm sorry about your eye. I hope it doesn't hurt.
No,
It's
I
really
got
well.
some, you know, of those, what do you call it? Those lashes. Do you want me to continue? You know, I have a red eye. Sorry. Do you know, I'm one eye, you know. Oh,
Hello.
sorry.
Hi.
Hi.
This.
That one? Yes. You want the name?
Yes.
Which one?
You got that one and that one?
one and that one.
Yes.
Yeah.
With your name too?
Patrick.
Yeah, with your name. Yeah. Vad kan jag skriva mer än Fröjding Rekord?
Yeah.
Like that. And for a friend also. That one for a friend.
David.
David.
Yeah. I use my aviation magazine, you know. I'm working as a journalist. So,
There you go.
that picture is from Stockholm, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I live 5 minutes from Stockholm City. So,
Är det Djurgårdskanalen?
ja.
Just det, Djurgårdskanalen.
Yes.
Bagare. Han är en bagare.
Designed by Stellan Sölgaard.
Stellan signed this?
Yes.
Wow.
You can, yes, because it's come to Lille.
He was in Lille?
Lille from Belgium.
I think that turned out okay.
Yes,
Have a look.
look at look.
Looky.
En tout cas, very good.
Okay.
Yes, I connais un peu les portraits. Comme ça. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. I think. Have a look. Parce que je connais ça. Il faut revenir à Paris pour ça, n'est-ce pas? Le trailer.
Have you seen any of those movies?
All of them.
All of them.
Last one.
I think the last one.
Eric C. Yeah, yeah, C. Nice to meet you.
Hello, pleasure.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hello. Bye-bye.
like a photograph.
Yeah.
You want that sign for you?
Yes. Ska vi ge den till henne?
Accompagné de Richard de Grandford du club Super 8.
Pourquoi je suis ici? Parce que j'ai la société Club Super 8, c'est une société de DVD, mais aussi c'est une collection de films et un film club à Suède spécialisé en film exploitation. Et je ne sais pas si je vais essayer de parler un peu de l'histoire de Jan Gleeson.
C'est une histoire assez rocambolesque.
Oui, c'est un film qui a été disparu. Et nous allons le chercher pendant 12 ans. Et dans tout le monde, nous avons essayé avec tous les archives de films et avec des collecteurs privés, et c'était disparu. Et nous avons la très grand plaisir de distribuer une nouvelle documentaire sur les Sarno, de Joe et Peggy Sarno, qui s'appelle The Sarnos Life in Dirty Movies. Et quand j'ai vu ça, c'est leur basement, c'est quoi?
Leur cave.
Leur cave, il a eu beaucoup de boîtes de films dedans. Et je sais, je suis intéressé de ça. Et voilà, dedans, c'était un work print, une copie de travail en 16 mm de ce film. Mais il a manqué deux bobines. Et comme ça, nous avons restauré tout ce film et nous devons utiliser une vieille VHS pirate, copie pirate pour 13 minutes. Je suis désolé pour ça, mais ce soir, vous venez voir le meilleur possible version de ce film-là. Et il y a des sous-titres français grâce à Monsieur Ballard ce soir.
You said, I have never seen most of my films and probably it is best that way.
Yes.
Have you seen Young Playthings? Have you seen it?
To be honest, I have seen some scenes in Young Playthings, but it's a very fantasy story, a very strange one. So, to be honest, you know, I didn't really understood what I did in that movie. And as I remember Joe Sarno, you know, he was a very kind and very gentle man, and he didn't come that close, I think. But I was very young, and you know, life goes very fast when you are young sometimes, especially in my life, because I did a lot of movies at that time. Yeah. What was very special with Joe Sarno, anyway, it was that he loved to use people that wasn't really actors.
You acted a little these years.
Yes, I have done some small acting lately also, but for example, I was in US for 2 years ago making a small revenge role called, in a movie called Cry for Revenge.
Donc elle est allée aux États-Unis participer à un film donc, qui était un hommage en fait à thriller qui s'appelait Cry for Revenge.
Yeah, you know, they love this revenge. You know, thriller is going to follow me all my life. You know, but sadly they run out of money, so I don't know if there's going to be anything. You know.
Then you did a short film called Ingen Kom Ner.
Yeah.
Before that?
Yes, it was a short film about a lady who lived in a big house with cats.
Very close to
my own life.
Then I saw you on YouTube, oops, I shouldn't see it, in a video clip for a metal band. Can you tell us
Oh yes, you know, some of my fans, many of my fans are hard rock metal enthusiasts, and it lives in a band close to my home. And a friend of them asked me, because they didn't dare themselves, if I would like to do my revenge role again, character again. And of course I said yes, because I can't say nothing else.
Donc ce sont des gens qui habitent assez près de chez elle, donc ils sont musiciens dans un groupe de heavy metal, qui lui ont demandé de rejouer le rôle de Madeleine qu'elle avait dans le Thriller, pour un clip qu'on peut voir sur YouTube. Le groupe s'appelle Lugnet. And do you have plans for other films? Plans for other films?
No, not right now, but if someone here knows a person who's going to do a horror movie, just call me.
Si vous voulez réaliser un film d'horreur, elle adorerait jouer dedans. I think, Christine, you're going back home tomorrow. Did you enjoy your trip to France?
Yes, I really do, and I'm very confused about the big interest, you know.
Thank you so much, and we hope to see you again very soon in Paris or anywhere else in France.
I hope to come again, really.
Taste of love was a night that you'll never forget. First taste of love felt just right. You remember, and yet you gave your heart right from the start. Your first taste of love has played its part. You feel it? First taste of love was a night that you'll never forget. First taste of love felt just right. You remember, and yet